Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Today we are working in my social media planner, which is a classic size heavy planner. It is for the week of June 20th through the 26th, and as always the left side will be covered by a page that I have created to help me keep the videos on track. So here we go. And if this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I hope you like it here. And if you are coming back to me and spending more time with me, welcome back. I hope you like it. So here we go. You are getting a sneak peek of my previous week that I didn't film or share. It was just one of those spreads that I did just for myself. I sat with music and just created the spread. So once in a while I do that. Oh, in case you are wondering, the planner that I'm using is called Modern Year. It does end in June, so I'm going to be switching planners, but for right now it's all good. So today I'm going to be using the blue flowers from the Live Love Posh, so her blue book. I'm going to be using these lovely blues and peaches, and I'm going to be creating kind of like a frame all around the spread. So I'm going to start with this big flower. I'm going to put it down, but not all the way, because I'm going to cut some of this out so I can go ahead and write in there. So I'm going to be very slow about it. There we go. I got it, and now I can place this piece right up here, and there's no waste. You can see that? And then that little corner comes off as well. Let's just do that, or actually let's cut just this so it doesn't overlap like so. I think that looks good. We're starting to, and I'm going to continue doing this all around. So I will often cut my florals in half, and there's two reasons why. First, because I need lots and lots of writing surface, and if I put big stickers down, that's going to prevent me from having the ability to write a lot. And second of all, it gives me quite a bit of more stickers. And who doesn't like more stickers, right? It doesn't look overpowering or too big. It just looks very simple and beautiful. And that's what I like. And I do just enough to cover the edges without it being overwhelmed. So I'm going to do the same thing on this other side and start adding all of these beautiful florals. I think I'm going to stick with that single book today and see how much we can accomplish and what it's going to look like without any kind of a variation from different books. I do like the blue flowers a lot. I like blue in my planner in general. Blue and green are like my two favorite colors to have in my planner. What is your guys' favorite color to plan with? Like, do you like hot pink? Maybe you like leopard? Like, what is your favorite color or pattern in your planner? As you guys probably already know, for me it's florals, and I really love blues and greens. Like I said, I think they pop out of the page whenever I do that. So that is that. So like I said, I'm just going to be climbing up on the side and adding florals until I feel like everything is filled properly. Okay, so I cut quite a few of them, and I'm going to be working them through the spread. So you can pre-cut flowers like I do, and once you start laying them down, it's going to be a quick process. Okay, I'm going to add that to the top. And I'm cutting just the excess edges. Okay, I'm going to add that little guy up there because it's like a blank space. And then for that weekly section up there, I'm going to go ahead and take a whiteout and get that gray bar completely off, because that makes no sense for me. And I will add this big floral right there, and then I'm going to add a corner piece to cover up most of the box, because again, I don't really use that part. So I'm going to do a little bit of re-stickering. I'm going to take these off and move everything over so it's fitting much nicer. So let's start with that right from the edge and see where we land. Okay, so there we go. Oh, I really love how this looks. Okay, now let's see. I'm not quite done just yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the days of the week in blue to kind of emphasize what it looks like, and then a little bit of more flowers on that bottom row on the left side. And then now, like I said, the names of the week, I think that's gonna add quite a big pop of color in the middle of the week. Just trying to apply them pretty straight, so bear with me. Friday, Tuesday, and then we have Saturday and Sunday. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and cover that and just put to do. So if there is any additional tasks, I can just do that. And it brings that blue to that side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add blue boxes to the spread. So when I share my videos, you guys get to see a box for every single day. So, and I get to write in it, so it's gonna be really balanced if I do that. So I picked two separate blues, as you can see, a darker one like a navy and like a royal blue, and I'm interchanging them but keeping them in the same position, so it's kind of a fun twist. But that's pretty much it. I am done with this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for choosing to spend time with me yet again, and have a good week. Bye.